Hi everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how you can automatically assign incoming conversations and tickets to your support team using round-robin assignment in Pepper Cloud CRM. As your customer queries increase, manually assigning conversations can become time-consuming. Some team members may end up handling more tickets than others, while others may have fewer conversations to manage. This can lead to slower responses and missed SLAs. With round-robin assignment, Pepper Cloud automatically distributes incoming conversations among available team members, helping your team balance the workload and respond to customers faster. So, let's see how it works. First, let's log into CRM. Let me add email ID and password and click Login. Once we're in the CRM, go to Settings and select Integration. Here, click on Channels. You can choose the channel where you want to enable round-robin assignment. Click on the three-dot menu next to the channel and select Update Channel Settings. Here we have the Enable Round-Robin Assignment option. Let's turn this on. Next, we need to select the team members who will be part of the assignment. For this, Pepper Cloud uses labels. You can create a label and add the users who should receive conversations through round-robin assignment. We'll also explain how to create these labels and add users later in this video. Now, for example, let's select the support team label. All the users added to this label will now be part of the round-robin assignment for this channel. We can also configure the service level agreements, or SLAs, for these conversations. Let's set the first response SLA to 15 minutes and the closure SLA to 60 minutes. You can also configure SLA escalation. If a ticket exceeds the defined SLA, you can choose one or more users to receive the escalation notification. Once the assignment rules and SLA settings are configured, click Save. Now, let's quickly see how we can create a label and add users to it. Go to Settings, then select Manage Users. At the bottom, click on Labels and select Create New. Give the label a name, such as Support Team, and add the users who should be included in the round-robin assignment. You can add as many users as required. Once the users are added, click Save. And there we go. Our support team label is ready. Now that the channel settings and team labels are configured, let's see what happens when a customer sends a new message. Here, we have a new customer query coming in. As soon as the conversation comes in, Pepper Cloud automatically creates a ticket and assigns the conversation to an available team member based on the round-robin assignment rule. You can see that the conversation has been assigned to John Chang. The corresponding ticket is also automatically assigned to John. Now, when another customer sends a new query, Pepper Cloud moves to the next available team member in the assignment queue. The assignment also considers the user's availability. For example, if a team member marks themselves as away or has another scheduled status, they will not receive new conversations during that period. This ensures that conversations are assigned only to team members who are currently available to handle them. Here, since John has already received the previous conversation and the next available team member is Chang, the new conversation is assigned to Chang. The ticket is also automatically assigned to the same user. You can track all these assignments from the Tickets module. Open any ticket to view its details, including the assigned user, ticket ID, response time, and SLA status. You can also see whether the first response SLA and closure SLA were met or exceeded. This gives managers better visibility into ticket ownership, team workload, response times, and SLA performance. So with Pepper Cloud's round-robin assignment, you can automatically distribute customer conversations, balance your team's workload, and ensure every ticket has a clear owner. That's how you can simplify ticket assignment and keep your support operations organized with Pepper Cloud CRM. To learn more about round-robin assignment and ticket management in Pepper Cloud, talk to us today.